to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious and simple Jello for Halloween. I know that you and your kids are going to love it and they can even help you make this delicious Jello. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Ingredients. We're gonna need a peach or orange Jello, a lemon or yellow Jello, of course our candy corns, water, and whipping cream. This is the only thing we need to make this delicious dessert for Halloween. So let's get started and let's enjoy it with our family. I want to start preparing my Jello, and I'm going to start with the lemon Jello. You know something? Just make sure that your water is nice and hot and nice and boiling before you start adding it to the cup. Just be careful. I don't want you to get burned. We're going to add 3 cups of very hot water, and we're going to add our Jello. This is my lemon Jello. This is a very important step. We want to mix it completely for about 2 to 3 minutes until all the Jello has incorporated and dissolved completely. When this is done, I'm going to continue with the second Jello. I'm using only 3 cups of very hot water. And to this one, I am adding the peach Jello. Of course, you could use the orange, or as long as your Jello is orange is perfect. So it comes out the same color as your candy corn. And now let's whisk and mix it completely until it incorporates completely. I have my 2 Jellos here, and I'm just gonna let them rest for just a little bit before I start adding them to my cups. I have glass cups. You could add it to plastic cups. It all depends what you have at home. Just make sure that they are clear so that you could see those beautiful colors of the Jello. And you know something? We're gonna go ahead and just add it in here. We want to just add half of the little cup of the yellow Jello, just like this. When you have all your cups ready and done, well then let's take them to the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll see you back. 15 minutes have passed and now they are a little firm. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding the orange Jello. And in this case, I have a peach Jello. I'm gonna whisk it a little bit, and now I am ready to add it. But you know something? Let me pick up the cup because I don't want the Jello to destroy the yellow Jello that I have on the bottom. Just be careful. Pour it slowly until you fill your cups up. Like I said, try to use a clear glass or plastic cup so that you could see these beautiful colors. When these are completely done, I'm going to take them to the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours until they're very nice and firm. 2 hours have passed and now I'm ready to start with my whipping cream. What I'm going to do, I'm just adding 1 cup, and to this whipping cream, you don't need to add any vanilla extract, any powdered sugar, or any kind of sugars. This mixture comes already nice and ready. After 5 minutes, you can see that it is already a nice peaks, and that's exactly what you want. You want to mix it in medium or high for just 5 minutes. I have my little baggies here, and now I am ready to transfer all that delicious whipped cream here to my little pastry bag. Now this is done and I'm ready to get those Jellos out of the refrigerator to start decorating them. Remember, you want to make sure that you decorate them so they look nice and beautiful, but yet nice and delicious. The Jello has firmed completely. Like I said, every refrigerator is different. Mine usually takes 2 to 3 hours for it to firm completely. And now I am ready to start adding the whipped cream right on the top, and be generous with your whipped cream. This type of whipped cream comes out very delicious and not sugary at all, but yet it has a delicious flavor. Look at this. Remember, you could put the design that you want. I'm doing it nice and plain, but at the end, you're going to see that they come out perfect and they look so cute, especially for Halloween. And I know if you have kids at home, they're really going to enjoy decorating each individual one. Well, I'm going to continue decorating them and I'll show you when they are done. Look at them. They look so beautiful. You could really see the yellow Jello on the bottom, and then the orange, and then the whipped cream. The colors are exactly like the candy corn. I added 2 candy corns on the top, and now I'm just sprinkling a little bit of that orange candy, just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. You want a little bit of design on the top. And you know something? These are completely done. I am ready for the presentation, and of course, I want to taste them already. My kids are already looking at me like saying, Mom, please finish. So I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this delicious candy corn Jello. You know something? If you have kids at home, of course, they could help you make this Jello, and it comes out delicious and perfect every time. Perfect for Halloween. Well, you know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this Jello came out. It looks beautiful, but of course I want to taste every single bit. Excuse me. You know something? The whipped cream is so creamy, but the Jello is so delicious. This just came out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you didn't, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best, peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious Jello, of course, made at home. See you on my next delicious recipe.